Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make logo design with line art method. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. Make a lines with pen tool. Convert into stroke and increase stroke size. Now copy the lines. Select lines, then go to transform, select reflect, check vertical, press copy. Align both files and join lines to each other. Select a line file, go to transform, then reflect, check horizontal, press copy. Select both files and delete inner shapes with shape builder. Go to object, click expand, unchecked fill, press OK. Go Pathfinder and unite. Select left bottom lines, then delete with shape builder, hold Alt button. Convert into stroke, increase stroke size. Go object, then expand, unchecked fill, press OK. Make a background shape and put logo in it. Color it using gradient tool. Put text in it. I'm using Adobe Arabic fonts. Align with background. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.